Okay, came up here on the mountain today to help my buddy Brandon pack his bull out. He ran a knife through his hand, so I'm gonna load his pack up for him and just show you guys kind of the process that we're gonna use to get meat in here first. So loosen this bottom compression strap, unbuckle the two sides, loosen these up, so we're gonna need them loose. Loosen the bottom two compression straps. And then we'll just unclip and loosen these on the other side here. Then you want to pull your load lifters out. And the last thing is side of the frame here. There's a downward facing little strap that tensions the bag down on the frame. You want to undo that on both sides. Now we can just pull the bag off and then kind of lay it flat here. So now we got our load shelf exposed. You want to just loosen these straps up. I don't loosen them all the way, I'll loosen them about halfway up. Usually seems to work pretty well. So now we got access to our load shelf here. And got all the meat for this load in a load cell dry bag. We're just gonna kind of work it in here. Once it's in there, you're basically going to want to tighten this up on the load. Alright. Just want to try to get it as centered on the frame as possible. And then pull the bag back up over. And then off the top of the frame here, you're gonna see there's a little buckle going forward, and then there's a strap coming back. This strap's gonna attach to the top of your bag. So we'll kind of get those both snugged up a little bit. And then we'll work around the side of the bag. And I'll just like loosely snug all of these just to kind of get it in place, and then we'll come back around and we'll do our final compression. So once I get that bag on top of the meat, all the straps are hooked in there. I'll just kind of alternate from the bottom up and just get this basically as tight as I can. And I'll tip it up. Get these top ones tightened down. And from there, meat's loaded in there, super secure. And we'll go ahead and get the rack on there and get out of here. So if you guys have any questions about loading meat in your Stone Glacier pack, just feel free to give us a call at the shop.